What's up guys, welcome to the 7th tutorial of programming in C using Xcode, and in this tutorial it's all about the do while loop. So without further ado, let's start the video. As you can see on the screen, we have the previous tutorials code on there. We can use this, edit some, take some out, and then compile a program. Let's begin. Okay, int a equals 10, we can leave that. We can now get rid of this and put do. Also eliminate this, we don't need it. We can leave all that printf, we can get rid of the increment or change the increment to equals a plus 1. We can move down here and say while it's a condition less than or equal to 15. We can get rid of this if we want to. And there you go. This program is telling you to do this while it's doing that, so we can execute this and see what we get. Okay, the build succeeded. So value of A is 10 all the way up to 15. So 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, etc. And it stops until it gets to 15. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.